To turn your photo into stunning color pencil art on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left. Tap style. Next, tap color pencil style. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more vivid and textured the effect looks. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the color pencil style has been added to the selected photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.